Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select audio connection on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then go to the audio and video section, and here the first section is called audio connection, so you can choose from 4 options here. Use internet for audio or call me, meaning that you need to type in your phone number first. After that, tap on the save button, and then the system will call you at this phone number after you enter the meeting, or you can also click on the call-in function or don't connect audio function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.